Hello, Franklin students. Mr. C here. I hope everybody's doing well. I'm going to continue with what Mrs. Vio talked about in her video about finger stretching, but I am going to do it with color tiles. And when we do the color tiles, we have to use definitely the red tile for our vowels, and we can use any of the other colors for our consonants. So let's go ahead and start off with a sample here. So I'm going to start off with the word gasp. I hear g, a as an apple, so that's got to be a red tile. S, p. How many phonemes do I have? Four. Four phonemes in the word gasp. G, a, s, p. Gasp. Four phonemes. Not bad. All right, let's try another one. Let's do a little bit longer one. Let's do the word ranch. Ranch. So we always want to say it first, ranch, and then we want to segment each phoneme. Segment just means to break it into little chunks. Here we go. I hear r, which is let's use orange this time. R. I hear as an apple. A. I hear n, a nasal n, n. And then I hear ch. Let's use purple. R, a, n, ch. Ranch. Ranch has four phonemes. Awesome job. All right, let's do another one here. Let's do one just as long. Let's do zipper. Zipper. I hear z at the beginning, so I'm going to use a different color tile this time. Z. I hear I as an itch. I. I hear p. I use yellow. And I hear Zipper. Z, I, p, Zipper. Four phonemes in the word zipper. So remember, when we're doing phonemes, we're just worried about the sound and not necessarily the spelling, all right? Well, good luck as you practice. Let me know how everything goes.